like mashed potato. My fave, brown stew. You can't time with brown stew. And rice and peas. The fast rice and peas that is.
You don't have to tell nobody that.
I'm sure they know.
Them know.
It's not as red. Hi guys, so today is first day of many. I'm at a alterations place and I am going to get some of my Miami outfits altered because your girl is getting ready to show out. And some of the stuff, I think because I've been losing so much weight, I actually don't know my sizing anymore and I can't actually send them back to exchange them to get a smaller size. So I'm just gonna get them altered. I'm sure it's not gonna take more than about 3 to 4 days. So that's what we're doing today. I'm so excited for Miami. Okay, so excited. I actually made my nail appointment already. It's on the 22nd, and I also need to schedule my hair appointment for the 23rd because the 24th babe is gonna go get the rest of the kids from Georgia. So the first one I went to, first seamstress, she is completely swamped, so I'm gonna have to go to another one. So here we go. Memorial weekend is very big in Florida, so I think everybody is trying to get something done. People are going away to spend time with their family. Also, a lot of weddings happen. So yeah, on to the next one. So this is my second seamstress, and this is the second seamstress that actually told me that they can't do anything with my best of the best outfit. I'm gonna say I love the outfit until I started talking to Babe, and Babe was talking about how he don't want to show up in anything that anybody else has on, and I feel like even though I bought it, I feel like it's a basic bitch outfit. So I think I'm just gonna change my damn outfit and get something else and call it a day. I have all my other outfits, and the ones that I wanted to get tailored, they're getting tailored now. Only one I couldn't get tailored is my best of the best outfit. I think this is a sign I need to change it, and I'm definitely going to change it. So yeah. At this point, I don't even know how many shots
This is about to be number 5, dude.
Number 5?
Yeah, this is about to be number 5. This is about to be number 5.
Oh, Richard Brown Films is in the back.
Live your life, man.
Again, we're still there. Hopefully we can get this in Miami.
She good.
Because
When you see her do more laughing than talking, it's serious.
our taste bud, well, my taste bud has definitely changed. I'm not like a Hennessy girl. I like more smooth alcohol, and this is really good. I don't even remember when Babe bought this, the shots. He bought these. He bought these small ones. Dollar shots first.
And then when he got them.
And then he got the big bottle.
Yeah.
And look at these are shot glass. This is about 2 shots, really.
No, babe, a good shot that.
This is a good shot?
Yeah, that's what they're supposed to sell you at the bar.
Really?
Yeah,
and then
they
get the half a cent in.
Come on, when you're in the party paying $500 for a bottle, that's robbery. The damn bottle costs $35, $45 at the liquor store.
That's how they make their money. There you go. And yes, we pull this up to this.
I would tell people to get drunk in the parking lot before they go in these parties, but you know, it take away from.
Let's see.
I'm fierce quail up.
Me think you say never interested.
That's a half a shot. I'm not interested. Oh, you jump back, so? Yeah, run in front of the shot to your take. Oh. Oh, this. Good. Oh, hallelujah, shot that. Ain't she such a line? You need water?
Woo! Me did that. Me did that.
I'm sure it's gonna
Me did that now. It's really solidifying.
Big up Arvel Expressions, big up Mr. Brown. Movie them shot.
Richard Brown Films.
Richard Brown Films, big up Arvel Expressions. The movie shot. If you really want to stay in touch with the culture and all these things, yep, oh yeah, do. If you really want to stay in touch with culture and all these things, then get there. Alright? Mr. Brown or what?
Expressions J.
Take the camera off on me, I'm drunk. Show me drunk at this point. Watch out then. Mini feet.
Fine. That's funny. We want everything, babe. Look at everything.
You know, I have no clone on camera. He's drunk, he must skin out. Want a bit of everything? Alright.
6.
6? Babe. Jesus Christ. And this girl is no pro. 2 piece?
Yes, 2 chicken. We're about to eat now. Don't try this at home, kids.
Don't try this kids.
How much I said, babe? How much I said they couldn't do? I tell you, I see one girl do 7 for Instagram and you say no. Yeah, she did it.
No, I said we have a saying that says 1 shot, 2 shots, 3 shots, floor.
1 shot. Say that again.
1 shot.
So we're testing our bones for mine. That's what they.
That's your mom's beer, our boundaries. You're going there, you know.
Boundaries, bounds is the same thing. Some say tomato, some say tomato. It's the same. Potatoes, literally. It's the same. It's the same thing. We call it pumpuma, everybody else call it vagina. You want lemon, babe? Or no?
No. That's sweet.
In claims that this shot is sweet.
It is sweet. Munchie.
I don't know about all that. It's nice and smooth. I don't know about the sweetness.
One part of your life are from turning up with your friends
To turning up at home with your kids.
At home with the kids.
No, Kai, you're gonna make a whole bunch of noise out here with it. You can watch your tablet in the meantime and eat the watermelon that you asked for. I broke his heart. Yeah. His art.
You are funny.
My art.
Where's Papa?
Your pan is on. Excuse me, Papa.
Shit.
Makai, what did you just say?
Chips.
Oh.
Chips.
Food ready?
This food ready? Yeah.
What are we doing?
Shot. Yes, it is.
I may have to pick her up soon, but it's okay. About shot. It's alright.
This is my fourth.
This apple juice mommy drinking, baby. Okay?
Yeah.
She
Yeah.
said no. She said no.
She said yeah, and she was reaching for it. Come on. Yeah, we'll come. My God.
How many?
Huh?
How many have you guys taken today?
This is fourth.
4?
Uh-huh.
Just 4 little shots. They're doing it in proportion. See your tiny glasses.
Can I use those for water?
Hmm?
Can I use those for water?
No.
What?
This is adult stuff, so you stay on kid stuff. Okay?
Like sippy
You
cups?
can come have some plantains. Look, they're ready. Try them.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
Look, your sister try one. You want to try one?
No.
If you don't like it, you can put it back. Everybody likes plantains.
I do.
Okay, Kai.
I do eggs and potatoes.
Potato salad.
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
I make mashed. If they make mashed potato. My fave. Brown stew. You can't time with brown stew. And rice and peas. The fast rice and peas that is.
You don't have to tell nobody that.
I'm sure they know.
Them they know.
It's not as red.
They know.
Because-
I'm Mexican. They know. When I tell them, rice and peas, some mashed potatoes,
No, Milani.
them something like
There goes on.
Yeah.
Funny because it's still on.
1 shot, 2 shots, 3 shots, floor. Not 4, floor. By the time you hit your 4th shot, you're usually on the floor. So you say you see somebody do 7, and you gotta try to do the 7.
If she did the 7, I end up on the floor.
That's where you going.
Not after me eat this food. Let me show you guys my living.
Y'all got for it. Y'all got for it.
I'm testing the bounds, okay? I go eat me dinner and watch something good. Baby, you take my one?
No, that's mine. Why? Why?
Come in the frame, you're out.
Oh, I'm in the front. Okay.
Alright, so
Where your lemon?
right here.
Alright. Don't forget. I'm good.
So if you guys didn't know, this year will be 7 years that we have been together. 7 is the number of completion, and we are taking shots and celebrating a little bit early in preparation for our trip in Miami. So that's what we're doing here. And shout out to everybody that we already spoke to about this on other platforms on social media like Instagram and stuff. Shout out to y'all for congratulating us. We appreciate it. Hi guys. I don't know why my camera is foggy. Hi. But I got my nails done today. Tomorrow I gotta go get my hair done. I gotta pick up my clothes from the seamstress, and I have to go get my toes done because I didn't get my toes done today. So we have a full day tomorrow. I just want to show you guys my nails, and I will see y'all tomorrow. So I just got back from getting my hair done. I also got my clothes from the seamstress. I didn't take it out with me because my phone was dead and I definitely didn't bring my camera. But for my hair, the girl was super nice. I was like late and she still accommodated me, so shout out to her for that. I actually went to a new salon. If you guys watch my, not last week, the week before video, my experience at a salon was not that great. I did a silk press and it looked like a blowout and I had to fix it myself. But I went to a new salon. It was like 50 minutes away, and I must say the service is A1, customer service A1. The girl that did my hair is super nice. She didn't pull my hair really hard. My braids are not tight, but they're super neat. My hair came out exactly how I wanted. So I'm definitely going to be going back to her. Okay, she did an amazing job. When you see my husband double take and triple take at my hair, especially straight backs like this, you know she did a good job, because I get straight backs all the time. So my husband don't really do double take and triple take like that. But when he did a double and triple take, you know she did a great job. So yeah, this is my hair. I will see y'all later on because I need to tint my brows. I need to do my legs. I need to pack, all that stuff. So I'll probably do that now as far as the packing is concerned, since I got my clothes from the seamstress. So let's get into it. So say what you want about Jaclyn Hill. This palette by Morphe was amazing. It has everything in here that I could ever want or need on my trip. So this is the only palette I'm bringing. I have some dirty brushes I need to wash. So let's do foundation. I'm bringing my NARS Light Refracting Foundation and my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. I have two. I have my color, which is 109 Classic Tan, and then I have 111, which is Soft Sable. I'm bringing two colors because we're planning on being at the beach a lot with the kids. This is dewy, this is matte. I can mix them and get a nice satin finish, and everything fits in here. So I really want to bring this e.l.f. putty primer, but people have been saying that it breaks them out. I bought it to try it out, and I have sensitive skin, so I don't want to risk it. My skin is doing just great. I actually need to go in and put on a mask. I think I gave Babe my mask. I need to go in the other bathroom and get it. Next I'm gonna do my brows and stuff. So everything fit. I feel like I didn't overpack just yet. I need to do my toiletries next, and then we'll be good. So this is what I'm gonna bring in my toiletry bags. When you have kids, you have to pack extra stuff like deodorant, because sometimes these kids be leaving their deodorant. I pack a full size lotion because no one ever brings their lotion, mouthwash, full size moisturizer, and all of that stuff. So that's what I'm taking in my toiletry bag. And we are pretty much packed. So I'm gonna go do my other stuff like tint my brows, shave my eyelashes, wax my legs, shave my butt fudge, all that stuff. I'm using the Godfrey tint kit, and this is in the color medium brown. And yes, I'm chopping my mouth with chewing gum. You don't like it, bite it. Or click off. Not like we have two caterpillar up on my eyebrow, but it's all good. You know, with my face. Milani? No. There you go, mommy. Here's your toys. Play with those. I'm using the Equate Beauty Blackhead Clearing Scrub Salicylic Acne Medication. Gently exfoliates oil and dirt. Don't put it in your mouth, mommy. Legs and hips and brush down, then up, down, then up. Milani is watching her thing. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and actually figure out some videos that I can film for you guys. Not for next week. Not for, let's see, not for next week, but the week after. Because the week after is still gonna be busy for me because Milani's birthday is that week. So yeah, I'm making sure I have all my content in place. So that's what I'm gonna do. Plan content, watch some YouTube videos. I'll see y'all later. Probably tomorrow when I go do my toes. So deuces. So the last time you saw us, we were at the nail salon getting my nails done, my toes done actually. Hopefully you guys can see. It's a bit dark in here, but I just got a nudie pink color like I normally do. Yeah, and I'm back home now. I actually edit tomorrow's video. I actually have Sunday's video up already scheduled to go. I'm gonna edit whatever else I have left for next week, so I don't have to worry about it. But until then, see you guys soon. I'm gonna end this vlog right here because the next time you see me, I'll probably be on my way to I will probably be on my way to Miami, and that's where the fun and the turn up begins. So until then, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.